Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be filming my I was gonna say my makeup routine, but I'm just gonna be filming me doing my makeup because I want to talk. And I got this workbook, self-esteem workbook, and honestly it's helped me a lot, but I feel like I need to do more of it. But I've been wanting to do another room tour, and so I'm gonna clean my room and then I'm gonna work on it. For some reason I can't work on stuff until my room is clean, and my room is really messy right now. It's not even that messy, there's just so much clothes everywhere, and so it's like preventing me from wanting to start it. But I'm gonna clean after I film these videos because I just wanted to get some videos out there. Also, look what my friend gave me. Well, her sister gave me that, but isn't it hecka cute? Okay, so I'm gonna start with my rose water. Okay, so I've been feeling super. The thing is I have a lot of like insecurities, low self-esteem, anxious attachment, and I really want help for it, but I don't want therapy. I mean, I do want therapy, but I haven't found like the right therapist. I don't even know how to look for one, and so I searched like chakra healing, Reiki healing, and I'm gonna try that. The thing is like I feel like I always feel like I know everything. Like I feel like it's because at a young age I started learning a lot about like positive thinking, law of attraction, just, you know, shit like that, or stuff like that. And you ever wonder like why are bad words bad? Like people literally made them up and gave them bad meanings, and they're bad words. Like that makes no sense. But anyways, I've always like was interested in all that like self-healing, discovery, whatever. And so I guess because I found out about that at a young age, I've always felt like I knew it all. And like I'm like stubborn like that, where I feel like I know everything. Like I feel like oh, like I'm really smart, I know all that already. Not about school but like when it comes to self-help, I feel like I'm like I just know it all, and I don't, obviously. And so I am to look at these butterfly earrings I got. I'm wanting to sorry, I'm trying to look for the other part of this earring, but I don't know where it is. And so I want to do Reiki so I can like actually grow, because I feel like I have not grown, and I don't know how. And oh my gosh, I just have so many things I need to work on, and I wish someone would just freaking come up to me and be like, okay, you need to work on this and this and this. You know what I mean? But I don't think that's gonna happen, so I'm gonna go search for it. I shouldn't have put my foundation first. I'll put the green. You know, I don't know. I just feel like I judge myself so much, and like I feel I feel like I just judge myself so much too. Like after talking to people, I think like, oh my god, like did I say something wrong? Do they hate me? It's so annoying, bro. Like I'm over it. And I feel like being anxious attachment really makes people, oh shoot, it really makes you like a jealous, clingy person in relationships. And I feel like now it's to the point where people are like, oh my god, like how is someone so jealous? Like I just think about, like I know that it comes from insecurity, and it's more than what people see, you know. But I just struggle a lot with like seeing my worth, and it's fucking annoying because I depend on others so much to show me what they think of me, to make me feel CBT therapy, and then I also want to do the Reiki. I'm nervous, but I emailed this lady who I found, and she seems so sweet, and so I hope she emails me back. If she does, it was meant to be. If she doesn't, it wasn't. But yeah, I found her, and I'm going to try that out. Sorry, I'm trying to powder this. And I feel like I'm just so tired of, the thing is like, you know, these thoughts I have, I tell myself like, okay, no, like that's not true, stop thinking negatively, but I can only do that so much. Like, I don't want to just force myself to have positive thoughts. I want to force myself to like handle it, think, like go get help for it, and then actually change, instead of just being like, no, think positive, and like ignoring it, you know what I mean? Because that's what I've been doing like all my life. And then I don't know, man, like I don't know how to go about getting help, but I'm trying. If any of you are therapists, let me know. Just kidding. Or if you recommend a therapist, can you do that? Or if you know anyone that does Reiki, or if you know anything that I can do to help me. I hope that made sense, but what I'm ranting about. But it's so annoying. I freaking hate it. Oh my god. Like, sometimes it's so sad, but sometimes I really feel like I'm the worst person on earth. Like, I really feel like something is wrong with me. Like, I'm freaking annoying. Everyone secretly hates me. I did something wrong. I've said something wrong. Like, I'm so scared of not being self-aware, and it's just annoying. Like, I'm so tired of being at work and after everything I say thinking, oh, was that wrong to say? Was that mean? What did they think of that? Blah, blah, blah. Like, it freaking pisses me off. And it's, I don't know. I'm like done feeling that way. I need to get help. I'm just doing the NARS Orgasm Blush, and then I want to contour with the Flesh Cosmetics. Yep. Whoa. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad in person. Okay. So, next, let's do my lips. My chapstick. And then and you know what else I freaking hate? I hate talking about my insecurities to people, because I feel like it's such a burden. Like, it's so annoying. Like, I feel like talking about this to people makes me seem like a negative ass source of energy, and so I like always want to keep it all in. And so that's why I really want to find someone to professionally talk to that can help me, because like I really feel, or like I really know the way I am is not healthy, because no one has this, I don't know. Well, I mean, yeah, people are. I think I just feel alone because I don't talk about it. And so I'm just gonna rant to you guys, because if you guys are here, it's because you want to be. And it makes me feel better than venting to like people and feeling like I'm throwing all my issues onto them. So I got this thing. It's like pineapples. And I just put all my makeup in it. I'm just gonna take this Morphe palette. Oh. And this eyeshadow. It's Hang 10. I'll just put that over my eyelid. Sorry if you can hear my brother's TV. That's another annoying thing about living at home, is that our rooms are like right next to each other, and every time I want to film. So he left and I was like, okay, perfect, I'm gonna film. And I literally sat down, and right when I was gonna start to film, he gets home, and I was so annoyed because I'm such a huge introvert that I want my alone time, you know, to film and just be by myself and like have a breather. I just hate caring so much about what other people think. I think that's fine. Okay. Should I do some glitter? Yeah. I'll do some of this one. Can you see it? I honestly don't know how to do eyeshadow that good, but Euphoria. Just kidding. Okay. Now we're gonna do. What are we gonna do? Oh, let's get some highlight. Ow, dang! I should have typed. And then in the corner. And then let's do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. eyeliner. Ew, sorry, this angle's like heck on your face. Make it like that. Oh snap. Let me do a little more. Okay. But other than that, sorry if like my talking videos are so negative, because I hate when people are just negative, and I feel like that's me right now. But the thing is that I just wanted to vent, and that's what was on my mind, so I just vented about that. But like, I don't want to be that person that just posts like sad videos. I mean, I don't even post sad videos, what the heck. But yeah, next, let's put on my lashes. Should I put these on? Yeah, put these on also. Put these on. Also, like, sometimes I feel, oh shoot, sometimes I feel like I want to be self-aware with everything, and it's like, bro, like, it's fine to not point out everything you think you need to point out, if that makes sense. Oh no. Oh no, it's good. I have a baby shower to go to on Saturday, and I don't want to go, but I have to. I mean, I don't have to, but my friend who invited me, I haven't talked to her in like forever. We don't even talk, honestly. Like, I feel like she just invited me because I'm like one of her only friends from high school. And so I was like, okay, I'll go. And I bought the gift and everything. But I don't know. My eyelashes. I need to fix my eyebrows, bro. Okay. Let me fix these. What do I need to do? Like cut them? Let me get the eyebrow razor. Someone is taking care of. Every time I'm in my room, I do my eyebrows, and I'm always scared I'm gonna go overboard. Because the lighting sucks in here. Why do they have so bad on camera? Okay, now let's do my eyeliner. I mean, I did my eyeliner, but the second part. Let me grab it. Where? Oh. In my purse. Smells good. Let me put some perfume on. I love doing this. I feel like it just makes me look so much better. The lighting sucks, but hold on. Watch, you'll see. Like, let me do my lips. I've been hoping somebody help. Kylie lip kit. Like that. Like that. And okay, and then the lipstick. Where is my lipstick? Okay, so I thought I recorded this, but I basically just took out my hair from the pins and I said thank you for watching. Sorry, I'm trying to fix my hair. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know. And oh my goodness, my room looks like it's so messy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And now I'm gonna go film my other 2 videos. And again, sorry, I have the hiccups. I don't even know what to say. I'm just like trying to record myself, but the final result. Also, if you have any improvements on my makeup, let me know. Okay, bye. Thank you.